to my channel. I am Tish. I am a wife, mom, leader over 40, navigating life, career, and purpose. Here on my channel, I document that via vlogs. Sometimes we sit down and we talk, and I will also share like daily happenings, outfits of the days, events, or working on something special. Well, I am on a challenge of creating 100 videos for YouTube for 100 days, and you're getting it all. Today is no other. I am getting ready to put together a gift for my mom for Valentine's Day. Never done it, and it's going to be trial and error. If this video is up and sane, that means it didn't flop. Yeah. So thank you for joining. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. If you already are a subscriber, welcome back. Like this video and tell me where you're watching from down in the comment area. Okay, so let's get ready to put this gift, Valentine's Day gift, together for my mom. So before we get started about my mom, my youngest wanted to share her gift to her mom. She wrote me this very thoughtful note, and it was not ChatGPT coded, which means it was wonderful. And here, Rob, you can show them the gift that you put together.
What do I say? What?
What did you get?
They're flowers. They're pink roses.
But she's very proud of her work. She picked out some beautiful pink roses. Why did you not go with red?
Because you prefer pink.
She knows that I like pink. And what about the wrapping? Did it come like this?
No, I didn't.
So she wanted you all to see her flower wrapping for her mom. I love them. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so my mom, what did she do?
She was.
So I didn't want to just get my mom. My mom doesn't eat candy and a bunch of treats. She eats very, very healthy. So I wanted to get something that she could actually use and appreciate. And at Walmart, I saw this cute little animal print bag. It's small for her errand running, or when she just wants to wear animal print. It's a crossbody, and this was also on sale. So it was $13. Cute bag anyway, but I just didn't want to get her a bag and put it in a gift bag. So I thought, what if we use this as a gift bag and put flowers in it? So before they were sold out, I picked out a bouquet. Her favorite color is yellow, and these are some nice accompanying colors to it. So I am going to try to arrange the flowers inside the purse, and then that will be her gift. We're going to do this trial and error right now with you watching. Here it is. So I didn't have any of these colors tissue paper, so I went with pink because that's what I have. And here is the finished look. I think she's gonna love it, but to use this as a gift vessel turns out pretty good. So the girls and I are going to take this to my mom today.
What am I doing?
I hope that you enjoyed your Valentine's Day, and just remember that you can spread love any day of the year. It doesn't have to necessarily be on a holiday or one time a year. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and tell me where you're watching from down in the comments, and I look forward to talking to you in the next video. Until then, have a great day. Oh, and happy Valentine's Day.